He's the head of HP technology.
Wait a minute. Why don't you make Hyperseries in Flexhead?
Do you like plastic toolbox or a metal? You don't see much of these metal boxes nowadays. Hazet is one of those companies who still offers limited metal boxes. And finally, I have got one of those. I have been looking for this toolkit for quite some time, but due to the high prices, I was reluctant. One day, I saw a warehouse deal on Amazon and found this kit almost half of the price. I immediately grabbed that deal. Now it's finally here. Here you guys can see the sticker mark with the warehouse. Basically, warehouse deals are marked as used item, and these deals comes in 4 different categories like new, very good, good and acceptable. This toolkit was labeled as very good. Now let's check inside and find out what are the reasons for this kit being in warehouse deal. Look at that nice blue box made out of completely metal. There is nothing wrong with the metal case itself. This is a heavy and solid metal box. Beautiful Hazet logo emblem. This emblem is not made out of metal though. It's kind of soft rubberized material. Powder coated paint job is flawless. The width of the box is around 43.5 cm, 21.5 cm height and 6.2 cm deep, and total weight including tools is 7.47 kg, which is pretty heavy. Nice and sturdy handle. Lashes are nice and firm. Let's open up the box. Foam cushion for anti-rattling noise. What a beautiful set this is. I'm very excited for this tool set. This set has foam tray for the organization. In old days, there were plastic insert, and before that, inserts were made out of metal completely. I would love to have trays made out of metal, which is not possible nowadays, but at least I would wish to get this set with plastic trays. I knew this tool set will come up with the foam insert, even though on the Amazon website, the picture is of an old style set. This toolkit comes with the newer design Hyper Series ratchet. I have already 2 Hyper Series ratchet, so I wanted it come up with the old style handle ratchet, just like this breaker bar. But on the Hazet website, the picture of the tool set is rather accurate. Back to the tool set. It's a 1/2 inch socket set. It's got breaker bar, T-handle, couple of extensions, ratchet, universal joint, battery terminal socket, and assortment of sockets from 8mm all the way to 32mm without any skips. I would call it complete 1/2 inch socket set for automotive purpose. Let's have a look into the ratchet. This is a Hyper Series ratchet and one of my favorite in non-flex. Made in Germany stamp on the shaft. Nice rough matte chrome finish. Nice comfort grip 2-component handle design. Black part has softer material and the blue is a harder material. It's got hanger hole for hanging purpose. Solid ratchet with nice grip on the hands. Zinc alloy selector switch with nice Hazet logo on it. It is recessed, smooth and solid mechanism. I tell you guys, this ratchet is a beast. Craftsmanship is top notch. Gear teeth are 90, which is quite fine. More teeth, less arc return angle. Gears are nice and smooth. This ratchet has 1000 Nm of torque capacity. By the way, I met this guy who leads a team which has designed this ratchet from Hazet. Isn't it crazy that I met the guy who designed the ratchet along with his team? We had very nice discussion during the meeting.
Okay.
So there is
Hello.
Pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Usman, and this is Mr. Risse. He's the head of HP technology together with another colleague.
HP Hyper Series.
Yeah,
Right.
Wait a minute.
And the other
Can you
colleague-
imagine? Hyper Series head of department.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so surprised. You know, those are my favorite. Actually, I'm really big fan of Hyper Series. All those my viewers on YouTube, they ask me what is your favorite, and I always say that one, Hyper Series. And when it comes to now, there's a very famous question of one of my viewers. Why don't you make Hyper Series in Flexhead?
flex head.
Yeah.
So
Back to the ratchet. Let me test the socket on it. I tell you guys, Hazet ratchet has best fitting on the socket, almost zero wobble and robust mechanism. It's always pleasure to work with such nice quality tools. Let's pick some random socket. This one is number 24 and look at that beautifully made socket. Hazet logo and the part numbers are stamped. Nice double knurling which is definitely enhanced handling for the anti-slip feature. Half socket has shiny polished surface and half rough matte chrome. It's a Hazet typical trademark similar to their ratchets. It is pretty thick and solid. It's a half-inch drive so it needs to be stronger. I have seen the socket making process in a Hazet factory myself, so I can safely say that they are made in highest quality standard with robust forging process. This breaker bar is almost 40 cm long. Breaker bar feature is nice addition to the kit. Look at the details. Amazing workmanship. From the visuals, you can feel the quality. Nice surface finish with the Hazet logo and the part number being stamped. This handle is old style handle, both blue and black part made out of hard material. So it's not a comfort grip handle like Hyper Ratchet. It's got nice Hazet logo. I like the blue and black color combination. I'm surprised that I haven't found any flaws from this set considering it is warehouse used item deal. Let's have a quick look into the T handle. It's 30 cm long, same stamping of Hazet logo and the part number. Ball detent on both edges are the barrier for the anvil from stripping off the bar. Let's put an extension on it. This extension is 26 cm long, nice and solid extension. Combination of both bars can be handy in certain situations. I'm trying to find why this toolkit is considered for warehouse deal cause I'm unable to find any flaws yet. Nice workmanship on this extension too. Look at the universal joint, solid construction and nice looking chrome job. This is a very handy little tool for the twisty and odd angles. Okay, wait a minute. I found something. I don't know if the camera is showing that the detent ball has small rusty surface. Seems like chrome is chipped away, but it is working perfectly. I'm just thinking it is just a minor defect. Well, I don't mind, I just got that almost half of the price. This is a battery terminal screw socket. These are not common nowadays, but I have it if I need it. This socket is also nice and solid. Now I found a little tear on the foam but nothing major. Trying to look something else but seems nothing wrong with the rest. Let's take the foam insert out and have a look into the box inside. I found nothing but some paint marks and it's due to the breaker bar is touching the wall and there is no foam protection against the wall. Hazet need to improve this padding design against the wall. You can see in the older plastic insert design, the breaker bar is well protected. It's nothing major but unnecessary paint wear and can be prevented with the foam inlay design. Overall, this is an awesome tool set for the tool lovers and for the gift to your loved ones. I'm very happy to have that tool in my tool collection. I know the fact that blow molded boxes are lighter and convenient and somehow practical, but I'm kind of old school thought person and appreciate the old style metal box tool set which you don't see so often nowadays. Again, I'm very happy to have that metal box and I got it super cheap. I found nothing bad except the little rusty ball detent on a universal joint. I can exchange or warranty it, so I think this is a score. Now I leave it everything to you guys. Feel free to comment below and if you have enjoyed the video, consider to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for coming along. See you guys in another video.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease.